Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to another episode of FlyFishDan. I do appreciate you clicking on that icon and deciding to watch the video, so thanks for that. What am I doing today? You know what? Actually, don't really know what I'm doing. I mean, I know how to fly fish, but I've never fly fished in the Pacific Ocean. That's right, I am in the Pacific Ocean fishing for whatever's out there, and I think there might be surf perch. So I'm over in Westport, just a beautiful little town. Waves don't look too big, which makes me very happy. And I've got my dad's set up here. Actually, it's my rod. It's a Winston Passport 7-weight, but my dad's Tybor reel that I was fortunate enough to be given some time ago. So it's got a lot of great fishing karma, and I hope to catch some fish today. I really don't know what the setup is. I did a little research on YouTube, shockingly, I know, and orange patterns seem to be the ticket, what's most talked about, so I'm going to try that first. But I got a full sinking line on. It really probably should be an intermediate, but you know, this is my first time doing this, so let's learn together. Let's go do this. Fish on. Tell you, there is something a little bit intimidating about standing in the ocean and fly fishing. It's a lot. Fortunately, I've got the jetty over there kind of protecting me from any of the really big waves. So, like we saw earlier with the surfers. I moved over here by these rocks. I don't know what it is about rocks. But if I was a fish, I'd want to hang out on rocks. Plus I saw a few little guys jumping.
Hey man.
How you doing?
Hey, I snorkel out here in the black bass and the perch. They hang out close to that right there.
Okay, like along the rocks?
Yeah.
That's what I kind of...
Where you're at, about 75 yards, so like you're feeling underneath your feet. Right there, but right there by the rocks, and they'll come right up to me when I'm snorkeling.
Nice. I was down there a little ways, and I thought, you know, if I was a fish, I'd want to be by the rocks.
Yeah. And just, I'd say about 10 to 15 feet from the water line.
Okay.
Is sand again. You know?
Thank you. That's awesome. Appreciate that advice. That was pretty cool. So I'm going to do just that. Get a little closer to the rocks. A little bit better vantage point, I think. Something on. Starfish on. Oh my God. Well, I guess this goes without saying that I didn't get skunked. So there's that, right? I did not get skunked. It's pretty. Looks super pretty. Wow. See if I can release Mr. Starfish unharmed. All right, buddy. Well, it's not exactly what I thought I was going to catch, but you know, it did get my heart beating just for a second. Well, I didn't have the luck that I was hoping I would. Maybe if there's anybody out there watching this video that might be able to give me some pointers, I'd love to have you leave that in the comments. You saw what I was doing? Maybe give me some advice, flies, technique, where to go. So I appreciate that in advance. Thank you. Well, I think I need to level it up. So this side of the jetty, there's a little more surf. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, well thanks for joining me on my first surf perch fishing trip. I didn't get skunked, right? I caught a starfish. Does that count? It's one of those things that I haven't yet caught on a fly rod, so I can check that off the old list. But I look forward to investing some more time and more research in how to do this properly, but it certainly looks fishy. Just maybe they weren't in. Alright everybody, thanks so much for tuning in, and until the next time, hopefully we'll get a surf perch in the net. All right, guys. Till the next time, fish on.